Hello, I hope you are well. Today I want to show you a very brief video that shows each step you need to take to sharpen a chainsaw chain in a very simple way. The first thing you'll notice when you look at the blade is that the chain has teeth on both sides, right and left. And at one point in the chain, you'll find that it has two teeth on the same side that are together. Therefore, this can be your reference point to start sharpening each of the teeth. And if your chain doesn't have two teeth on the same side, you can mark one of the teeth with a marker. Then you take this as your reference to know that you're starting to sharpen that tooth. If you have the ability to secure the chainsaw where you're working, that would be excellent. So in this case, I use this vise to secure it and hence work comfortably. In terms of the file's position, there are two angles you need to pay attention to when going over each of the teeth. The first is that the file, relative to the sword, goes at a right angle. So this right angle is formed here. Then, depending on the tooth we're going to sharpen, whether it's on the left side or the right side, that's the position the file will take. For instance, if I'm going to sharpen this tooth on the left side, the file is going to go in this direction, pointing forward at an angle between 30 and 35 degrees. I'm going to lean outwards and slightly upwards as well. And at the same time, as I pass it, I'm going to rotate the file this way. The same on the other side. So if I'm going to sharpen the tooth on the right side, I lean outwards, a little upwards, and I'm also rotating the file to cause wear. It's important that the strokes you make on the teeth are equal across all. So if I make 3 strokes on this tooth, it has to be 3 strokes on all the others as well. This way the chain doesn't get unbalanced, so when making cuts, you'll be making a straight cut, not leaning to one side. Thanks. See you next time.